Here at the Postage, we understand how death can create lots of unresolved feelings and emotions for your loved ones as they grieve. Our message planning feature allows you to leave no stone unturned. If and when something should happen to you, this tool allows you to curate your own message streams so you can never leave anything left unsaid. Now, let's walk through how to access your messaging dashboard, how to draft messages and schedule messages, and how to select recipients. At your dashboard, click the Messages circle and select Write Notes Now. Alternatively, access your messages using the link in the left-hand menu. Once at your Messages dashboard, you'll be able to see any messages that you have already drafted. To compose a new message, select Create New Messages. Next, you'll need to choose a recipient of the messages. These will be contacts added from your My People section. Add a subject for this message. Start typing in the body of your message. Express a sentiment you'd like to share with your loved ones. If you have trouble writing one, look at the default message for some ideas. You can also embed a picture into the message. Select an image you have already uploaded to My Documents to embed into your message. Now, you'll need to select a send type and schedule when the message will be delivered. Emails for occasions without specific dates. This is for milestones, weddings, graduations, and births that have no specific date. You can let your delegate deliver your message when the event happens. Send upon specific date. These are yearly event emails. You can send them upon a specific date and choose how many years after your death you wish to send it. Example, birthdays, holidays, and anniversaries. We recommend that you select the exact day for birthdays, anniversaries, and other known holidays. For holidays that vary each year, please select a date before the holiday. For example, if you want to send a message for Thanksgiving, select the middle of November for send timing. Send upon death. Here you can communicate next steps for your loved ones after you pass. It can be about your final wishes or a death announcement to share with those close to you in your own words. This can be sent upon passing or 3 days after passing. The messages do not automatically save as you type, so be sure to click the Save Message button once you have finished writing. If you'd like, you have the option to send a test message to yourself for proofing. Select the Send Test Message button and check the email that you have on file. You will receive a message identical to what your recipient will receive in the future. If you want to make any changes, head back to the Messages dashboard and select the messages you'd like to update. As time goes on, what you want to say to your loved ones may change. The Postage allows you to edit, re-upload, or remove any messages you want. Whether you want to scrap an entire letter or tweak a few sentences, you have free reign. Whatever you decide to share, know that it will always be safe, secure, and private on the Postage. We hope this walkthrough was helpful to you and that you feel empowered to start planning and share how you're changing the way you plan for the future with those you love most. If you need further assistance, email us at help@thepostage.com.